I made flounder in garlic cream sauce. Insanely easy. Cozy in 15 minutes. All right, comfort food fans, I'm making flounder in a garlic cream sauce with rice. Simple, silky, and ridiculously good. First, rice on. I rinse 1 cup of jasmine rice till the water runs mostly clear. Into a pot with 1¼ cups water, a pinch of salt, tiny knob of butter, lid on. Heat to a gentle simmer, then low for 12 minutes. Don't peek. While that steams, fish prep. 2 flounder fillets, about 6 ounces each. Pat them bone dry. Paper towels are your best friend. Season both sides with salt, black pepper, a whisper of paprika for warmth. Pan on medium-high. A tablespoon of neutral oil. A tablespoon of butter. When the butter foams and smells nutty, in goes the fish, presentation side down. Don't poke it. Let it get that light golden edge, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then gently flip for another minute. Slide the fillets to a warm plate. We'll finish them in the sauce. Same pan, heat medium. Another small knob of butter if it's dry. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Let it soften, not burn, 30 seconds. Optional splash of dry white wine, about 1/4 cup. Let it bubble and reduce by half. If you're skipping wine, use a squeeze of lemon, a splash of stock. Now, 1/2 cup chicken stock goes in, simmer a minute. Now, 1/2 cup seafood stock goes in, simmer a minute. Lower the heat and stir in 1/2 cup heavy cream. Pinch of salt, twist of pepper. A little lemon zest. Keep it gentle, no boiling, so it stays silky. Taste. It should be garlicky, bright, and cozy. If it's too thick, loosen with a touch more stock. Too thin, let it tick over another minute. A teaspoon Dijon for backbone is lovely here. Fish back into the pan, along with any juices. Spoon that sauce over the fillets and let them warm through 1-2 minutes. Finish with chopped parsley, a squeeze of lemon. Check the rice. Heat off, fluff with a fork. It should be steamy and tender. Plate time. Bed of rice. Flounder perched on top, generous ladle of garlic cream. Crack of pepper. Extra zest if you fancy. Bite test. The fish flakes with a nudge. Sauce is velvety. Rice soaks it all up. Pure weeknight hug. Swap ideas. Use sole tilapia if you can't find flounder. Add spinach to the sauce for greens. Capers for a briny pop. Clean as you go tip. While the rice cooks, you've basically done the rest. 2 pans, 1 spoon, 0 stress. That's dinner. Fast, comforting, and a little luxurious. Save this for your busiest night, and thank me later.